So we kind of messed up. Well, that's not all true. So we have had an amazing time and we literally wouldn't change any of it for the world, but we kind of got off track a little bit. So we had a flight to Boracay which got cancelled, and when it got cancelled we then re-evaluated our whole trip, money, all the situations, and then decided that we're going to stop Philippines now as rainy season is coming into full force. And we didn't think we'd enjoy it as much if it was like raining on a beach. So we're going to go back to Vietnam. We need a base camp to refuel after 2 months of just non-stop madness and travelling. Began 1 year ago. When we came to Vietnam 1 year ago, this is the exact same hotel we stayed at. But luckily, we were only here for 1 night, and then we're going to find an apartment which we're going to be staying in for our whole duration of Ho Chi Minh. Well, hello there. I didn't see you there. So we're on our way now to our apartment that we're going to be staying in, hopefully for our time in Ho Chi Minh. We're going to go check it out, take you with us, see what it's like, see if we like it. Hopefully we do, and hopefully we can move in today. Hello. Thank you. Let's get in. So the woman of the apartment that we was going to stay at said that there was no room where we were staying, so basically she marched us down the road, put us in this hotel for the night, which has cost more than the first one we went in, and she said, oh, very cheap, but it was not cheap. So now we're staying in this place for another night, and then we've got to go back to the apartment at 9 in the morning. It's just turned into a disaster already. Okay, so we're going to try again today. We're going to go back to the apartment that we were supposed to be in yesterday. We're just getting annoyed now. We just want somewhere we can literally just call home for a bit, and we just don't want to be messed about today. So it's raining outside, we're going to have to walk back to her, and if she turns us away, she's going to have 2 very unhappy people, and we might have to like reconsider where we're going to stay. Hopefully that's not the case, and hopefully we can move straight in and settle down. So we've been waiting down here now for about an hour and a half. This freaking annoying elevator music going off 24/7, and we're just waiting. We think they've kicked someone out of the hotel to put us in, which we feel absolutely dreadful for. We don't know if that's true, but we're just sat waiting patiently, and we have been patient. This is basically our 4th day of travel now, and we just want somewhere to settle down for a bit and just call our home. But we wait. Finally! Finally! We have a place that we can call home. Now, granted, it is a bit dirty right now, and we are going to have to do a bit of a spring clean today because we've found a bra, a toothbrush, and quite a few crumbs in places where there shouldn't be crumbs. So we're going to have to do a full spring clean, but first impressions, I think it's amazing. I think it's very livable. I'll give you a quick room tour now. So we would come out of the elevator. Our room is here. Turn to our right. We have a bathroom. Toilet, bum gun, big shower head. We'll come through here. This is supposed to be where you do like cooking, but I don't think we're going to use that. Come through here, we've got drawers.
My little makeup station.
No, it's going to be my editing station. It's a big bed, but the mattress is literally...
What, listen to when I sit down.
Like very, very thin, so we're probably going to have to buy like a top layer for a mattress. Wardrobe.
Wardrobe's pretty decent.
Wardrobe is like huge, like full size.
So we can hang all our stuff up, we just need to get the coat hangers. And then this side.
So we've basically got a side
It's like
each.
all this, 2 drawers. And then there's the stuff at the top that goes open as well.
Like 3, well,
Probably
one.
just shove our backpacks up there with
Yeah.
the wax. And then there's one here, which is where we found the ground.
And then like side tables, and then we do, this is one good thing, have an amazing view. It don't look amazing, I suppose, but it's something to look at, which we haven't had very often. So, we do have a balcony-ish.
It's tiny.
Right. If you like trust it, I suppose. But yeah, our view. We're on the 4th floor, so we've got like a pretty decent view of the whole city. The airport is over here, so we get planes flying over here, which is pretty cool. Karaoke place right across the road. Place to eat down there. So it does need a clean, but once it's cleaned, I think we'll definitely make this place.
Did you get that? That's a lot heavier than it looks. Oh, I'm so.
For God's sake. Anyway, yeah, this is our home for maybe 2 months, maybe 3 months. Like our visa in Vietnam runs out on my birthday, which is 7th of September. Keep that in your calendar. And yeah, this is it. We needed, like, because we was traveling so much and was doing something every single day, we literally just worn ourselves out. We was going to stop in a city at one point anyway. I was always going to like try and get a job and build up money while we're out here as well. Boo's not going to be able to, but I am, so I'm going to try and get a job. Just because we've still got money, but like just to build on top of the money, so like when we go traveling again, we don't have to worry about it. And yeah, our pad, get a job, do some crazy videos in the city, and yeah, I can't wait to be there because I've got so many ideas for videos here, and it's just going to be nice to not have to worry about traveling every day, what we have to do, planning stuff. We've just actually got.
Oh yeah, it's going to be so nice to have a break from not having to think about accommodations and hotels, flights.
Because that is literally, that is like the stressful thing about travelling.
You're constantly moving, aren't you?
Like we just show the bits that we do, but you don't understand like the amount of planning we have to do, the travelling, like the 24-hour bus drives that take 2 minutes on camera.
Not that we're complaining, it is amazing, but it's draining. Like
the final result makes everything worthwhile in the end. But yeah. That is it.
Bit of routine in our
4 days it took us to get to this apartment. 4 days. 3 days of travelling, 2 days, 1 day being shipped off down the road by the woman. But anyway, we're here now, I'm raffling.
We're going to do some shopping, spring clean, and that's about it really.
Yeah. So, thank you for watching. stay tuned, subscribe because big things are coming.
I can't believe I just took that over me.
I know. Thank you for watching anyway. Bit of a different video today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a like. And I'm going to put this camera down and then pick it straight back up for the next vlog, where we're going to basically just go buy all our essentials.
Yeah, we could do a little shopping haul.
Yeah, shopping haul. And I need to buy some clothes for an interview, so I'll take you with me for that as well. So thank you for watching. Goodbye.